The Rig Air lens rod ring consists of a locking outer ring, teardrop ring, and lens inner ring. It is available in two sizes. One is compatible with lenses featuring 50 to 62 mm filter threads, and the other is compatible with lenses featuring 67-82 mm filter threads. First, attach the lens inner ring that matches your lens filter size onto the lens filter thread, then tighten it securely. Next, align the locking outer ring with the teardrop ring, then rotate them onto the other end of the lens inner ring to secure them together. Finally, attach the included rod to the teardrop ring, then mount the follow focus motor onto the rod. Rotate the teardrop ring to adjust the follow focus motor to the desired position. Then tighten the locking outer ring to complete the installation. The outer side of the locking outer ring also features a filter thread, supporting 62 mm or 82 mm threaded filters.